So it's a cold winter day. We're in the middle of pruning deciduous trees, and this is a Castanea crenata, or Japanese chestnut. It's one of my favorite trees and a great producer, but it's getting too big, and I've been intending to take this limb off for a few years, and I decided today's the day. The cutting point is 4 meters above the ground. I want to cut right there, and I've made a little platform to stand on. I've screwed everything together. I've put a brace on. I've taken the machine up onto the platform, and I've checked everything that I can think of, because I want to be safe. Pole saw's out of the question. I mean, it's too thick. It's about 110 millimeters thick across that limb, and I'm not going to get a nice cut with a pole saw. It's going to damage the underside of the skin, the bark I mean. So this is what I've decided to do.
Ah.